Ambulance drones are unmanned aerial vehicles designed to provide rapid medical assistance in emergencies, delivering supplies or even defibrillators to remote or congested areas. They can potentially enhance response times and save lives in critical situations. Ambulance drones typically feature 1. Medical equipment delivery. They can transport medical supplies, such as first aid kits, medications, or defibrillators to the location of an emergency. 2. Live communication. Some drones are equipped with communication systems, allowing emergency personnel to provide real-time guidance to those on the scene. 3. AED, Automated External Defibrillator Deployment. In cardiac emergencies, drones can carry AEDs to deliver prompt assistance before traditional emergency services arrive. 4. GPS and mapping systems. Drones often utilize GPS and mapping technology to navigate to precise locations, especially useful in areas with challenging terrain or limited accessibility. 5. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Safety features like obstacle avoidance sensors help drones navigate around buildings, trees, or other obstacles during their flight. 6. Autonomous operation. Many ambulance drones can operate autonomously, reducing the need for direct human control and enabling swift responses. 7. Monitoring vital signs. Advanced models may incorporate sensors to monitor vital signs remotely and transmit this information to emergency responders. 8. Compact design. They are usually designed to be lightweight and compact for ease of transport and quick deployment. Research and development in this field continue to advance, aiming to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of emergency medical services using drone technology. If like this video interesting, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.